Omanhene akoye ade omo aduete ewo TikTok na Instagram nyina yentie Shadrach
so odidi won yakubon Allah now the whole tono so a se be yo se mi pada se ni be yo say be ka one sem say be yo say nyina and fa ho je odidi aw na odidi Nam sa jidie no papa ebe fimu aba ene wona ehu so jidie wona kupon
on time message pa
very very powerful
now the whole tono so no tono se be yo se mi pada se ni be yo say be ka one sem say be yo say nyina and fa ho je jidie na odidie Nam sa jidie no papa ebe fimu aba ene wona ehu
na hu so de Omanhene Yaw
so jidie
hu pa so de Omanhene Yaw me wadwiri me o because Assad even July August
bra na wo kan wo hye nkomo ana wo nfe de na wo kan wo se de ye wo mu se bibi Ghana fo a wonimu yen no so mutumi ye bibi a ye wure be fi ye kom kra na ye niema ana asi
chese me say the social media at a point in time virtually all the young boys are omo ewo social media are now out there saying na yes na fa cheye na say ni enim say l'argent le prix no c'est comme PDD no c'est no cre
di electric bus no
hey and the surprising thing and the heartwarming thing is say kaya ye boys na any man na Dr. Baumi training woman no say no woman no odi omo ba be run buses no there's one girl I want trendy just say the way I was 60 bus no now 40 bus mu no omo charge omo phones air conditioner no almost from Adenta to Medina so that's 6 CDs but Omiaka said Omawaye calculation now it is going to be about 40 to 50% reduction of fares. It is now the 10 cities and a faka kwa juma ubetia 5 cities.
You can't drive biaho.
David one auto kai. What do card neto?
Hey. Abrocha bagano.
I want to father. I want for the dynamics every musano.
Anka.
But see now boy back abrante back be every me or say boys now omusu betting hono hwe no obi ansu bio na he na ba me aba mo ntwe 120 boys ne bechi na bono wachire obi a but you yenti abrante no short video no today is Friday we wind down
sena bet no akufado piao na jutu sena bet no 10% no ntekwa eba umia obati 20% wate wase ho se una anya ne kwa ba umia moba 20 wate
omochi na ho boy stretch na
akufado piao na jutu sena bet no 10% no ntekwa eba umia obati 20% wate wase ho se una anya ne kwa ba umia moba 20 wate
ode boys no o se betting no afa no hu se na nado betting na o te wo no se na won tinkwa because enema ono na hunu e wo na ni so no
na media me nwanwane say omo ye no na wahin aye wa se di police should the whole Ghana
the whole issue is say
police na free so
also assembly say when Nana says sika mpedede l'argent le prix no say o seda catch there party for no say omunye di
bi anye din ye be surprise of
omunye dede because ultimately we say party ni bi say name one hospital hospital back up among shas awie na party ni a o wa ben mo bi a ministers no ma ye din omutwika and people were mocking them on social media on television so enti say aban ba ontumi nye now Abidanko Akufuado alone can count of about more than 35 brand new hospital no one shall say we. Agenda 111 no. I'm told next week bebre ano na won twaye. Go yan check careful Saturday okoto ba wi o be bibia no.
E be ndi o miwi. O mu mie na yamfa nkra na o ma ba fie no.
That is why because now agenda 111 anya she nurses be 400 500 they are looking at about 70,000. Nurses e gufie e form adwuma.
Yes sir. Yes sir no de o mu ye.
41 na wo wie no. Nanka drobonso fo betimanya a complete hospital drobonso.
Yes enra na poka de o mbebie no ha yi na ani.
I saw me.
Yes almost a poly you.
That the standard of polyclinical.
Hospital.
Oh, Akufuado, why shocking. Now, people said rate Nanado 10/10, BC 12/10, 15/10. Now it looks as if Ghanaians have even forgotten their economy, no. Nobody is even talking about it again. Because when you talk of 765 billion, I have to say, now the narrative on social media has changed. Nobody sign out to say nobody is talking about it anymore. And it's surprising. But as to whether say it will translate into votes, I know the Ghana for never.
Oh yes, indeed.
Obu Anma abeye trending on so ye bi anastelano onto my MPP.
No be so I want to.
And obi also awo ye ne den a ono no niam ye no nya last and we know the SCA we know hini enya petrol ni abete so na wo se ye beto abenti no ate so e dan no asie enti wo sha ase no na nya election Jamaica out ase o sha ase na nya election nyame anim ni
agiro bi on peso be
se obi pa be kase na nado niam a ye hunu ye ni su isi a wonye hwe a na dia nipa no I don't know he has changed Ghana for adwene say se na nado free adwaso a minim Ghana ni obetima kase Akufo-Addo amone omode
Democracy wa ko India
I'm so ko India ba enra empanimfo mo edi aba to anim ene Ghana fo nyina peace pact no ebaso Omanhene John Mahama baby ana enika
Shenifugu kama
one Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ete no omudi omo nkomo no omo sere
omo nyina sere ma
no na what say oyini okay last year
anka
say afiwe aba no eyesirem
esire ma
omumienu na ekoto maba enra peace pact no koso na ugo social media so a no mu twetwe yewra se edu nkati asenti wo dia na obeka se edu nkati ase gisi etwa ne ti ne etwa ne nsa ne de akosan peace pact
where my boyfriend
your mama akosan he is the leader of NDC not the chairman
no wa Shenifugu white
fa na do my Ghana enti about 20 years
na Baumia so agini kotu
about 20 years
abi esrama
MPP for corner se omudi ntwa ometra fie NDC ento oman no so obia di hono ma obetra ba bi se wokofa ba maka chem se muntaka tu yemfo
babra your man sada no na mi tu chema muntaka
na ofi said
obu ana me woma no atra boundaries
so tie muntaka
me say me say me
wo say enkofa banko kontoka mame say o mama ma ye MP wa wo so throw history o throw abrabo
say laji muntaka
na dey laji muntaka wo ye nyansa ni nimdie wa kire say nyansa ni nimdie wo ni tirim what
atra
enyo bia na ye tutra sem o kasa o kan no
de me yam shim so wa wo twro
yeah you're writing your own memoirs
what you nim do chena bi obeye
o se me ye tutra sem aka moto aba ma me as MP
alaji muntaka
mayentie muntaka
also na ba ya baako
manisha se
president na ba ya baako
manisha se
bring me dada o The America Chokra na yedi apon. Yes, Mabuna Omukaya ho. Mabuna Kaya ho. Mesro. Mefa wonkwa efa nkoto omobi. Abatono abasa e wo kwakwa ide obe ene ya betra aka ya se memwa e kira MPP fo nso pe ano so ba no wa be come asem ntoko bi wo abato no den dura obi a sebio mi MP ma ba ya ba ko sebio wa chima wo mi fi wo so na ba ya ba ko president na ba ya ba ko memma obi mbedada o se ye the ballot box papers be the man now they are going to bottom now who got to back now where they are bottom now they are come now they are tomb ye chiwa nipa na osma no obeka so we wan small obeka so we new ye na so ka ho se wo se na wo yini o wo twa wan ka so wa bakosem sebio me sorry ye na me akola bonia ange to abama me say me be mbi na yin me wa go school ange mutu ma be asembi ange me obi a me didn't pay for atem ange beto ma be mbi eju wa we abranti ana baba wa wo de dia ne asuma no akotina wo de me fiti na wo de camera to phone atu wenim na wo didi nko fa atem ka ho se wa na wo to wa nkasa wa bakosem da wo be yin a wo be bibi no ye be kai usuban ye be kai usuban ada wo pe bibi ye be kai usuban enura asogori mamponfo so te asem de pa ene se wahini yewra kanadi kankam na wono so eda asogori mampon municipal chief executive bungalow
obi e kire ne de
ebi sida se wasada si bungalow efe te se ne wo ba kumasi mayor otinhia so regional minister etihanom ne ade no ose wono so wonim de besie but oba emfie ba mienu ne fa no wasi municipal chief executive bungalow enti emma se MC be foforo be ba
ye kope ba bia
na ye kope ba bia ko ha da ko siesiem
awie
edan ne fe no Mr. Mofanto TV no so mame aha ade mo mama yinti na just me ko help for so antana me hu wa ye no fe o hye chese eye a complete anadwo de ni just anadwo ye so kane ano a na mama pictures ni bi during the day no oh eti ama chese se asokore mampon wo ya MC na se ye de ukọ a enya de obede obetima akeka se ukọ ye dey me kwakọ because Hamdan ebai oye de obetumi Alidu enso ye de obetumi Kennedy kankama bon homoden was see a whole residence ama internal regional minister ene nipa dom ke ka ho bia no wa ya de papa oye ni every peace party ya na ka kire Ghana for
cause na invitation no mo say NDC for say wo mo di nsem bi agu empanifo anim say so mo anyi ano em say papa say dun kati abakan say wo mo di nsem bi agu empanifo nanim wo mo anyi ano a wo nko but na ye papa edu jamfi chairman o ka son de onim say ibewie no wo mo nyina beba
okay
nti nyame adom wo mo nyina so ko ma na ye fe de ye hwehwe ani yanu de yanu bi no ye bompa ye se nyame be masomdwa abenti ye hunu we se no e ma ye nije ne she nkran me ye yire empai bonu nti eno ano no de o mo ye no bra enika
yentie Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ansem okan ye wi ati o mampani John Dramani Mahama.
As we acknowledge the efforts of others, we must also endeavor to contribute our due. That is why the signing of the 2024 Presidential Peace Pact is profoundly significant. Every general election in Ghana since 1992 has had its own dynamics, and the stakes are always high. But we have never turned our backs on democracy, because that is the path we have chosen for ourselves, and it is the right way to go. Admittedly, democracy goes beyond periodic elections. However, in relatively young democracies like ours, every election presents an opportunity to reaffirm our commitment to the Constitution.
Okay. So, yentie the Omanhene John Dramani Mahama so ekai.
On our part, as political leaders, we must prioritize peace and unity in our campaigns and avoid unsubstantiated allegations and focus on issue-based campaigning. We must compete on ideas and not on insults. To our security agencies, I commend you for your tireless efforts in maintaining law and order, and I urge you to remain impartial and professional in your duties, ensuring that all citizens can exercise their rights to vote without fear or intimidation. Media practitioners, I encourage you to promote balanced and accurate reporting, and we must avoid misleading the electorate by deceiving them that some parties are going to vote on one day and others are going to vote on another day. We must avoid sensationalism and speculation and focus on providing credible information that promotes peace and understanding.
Okay. Eti enra na eti tripa. I saw an old face. Yentie Electoral Commission.
God for making it possible for us to witness this historic moment in our country's history. And here I'm referring to the signing of the Peace Pact by presidential candidates of the 2024 presidential election. Indeed, this is the day the Lord has made, and we rejoice and we are glad in it. The signing of the Peace Pact marks an important building block in our nation's development. The very act of signing the Peace Pact is symbolic in that it signals to all citizens and supporters of our presidential candidates that they are indeed committed to ensuring that Ghana remains intact before, during, and after the election. It also symbolizes that our presidential candidates have put Ghana first before their own interests and aspirations. Hence, my assertion at the start of my presentation that this is a historic moment in Ghana's development. As a commission, I'm pleased to note that we have walked the talk of peace. Mindful of the fact that attaining peaceful electoral outcomes will depend on our actions, we have right from the start of our electoral process and carried out our activities and conducted ourselves in a manner that would ensure peace before, during, and after the election. In doing so, we have embraced three essential ingredients, which in our view contribute to peaceful processes and elections, namely transparency, responsiveness, and inclusiveness. And we have applied these elements in all our activities to date. And so right from the start of our electoral calendar until now, we have imbibed these three essential ingredients into everything that we do. Please permit me to mention and share a few examples. Registration of voters. Before the commencement of the voters...
Okay. And the IGP so
Election Security Task Force. I want to, on behalf of my colleagues at the National Election Security Task Force, to give you this pledge. We are committed to ensure that we take our constitutional mandate of ensuring that there is peace, security, law, and order for the rest of the period of the election, the post-election period, and beyond, so that our beloved country which is the only one that we can come in and out without a visa, will continue to be at peace with itself, because there is no place like home. For this commitment, we want to let you know that we will not be, and I want to emphasize, we will not be the source or allow ourselves to be the source of any disturbances that will corrupt the peace that we cherish so much. And we also urge all the stakeholders to also play their part, so that they are also not the source or allow themselves to be the source of anything that disturb the peace of this country.
Okay. Omanhene IGP Akasa.
Aye.
Hey.
Non-existent good evening. The name is Kofi Akpalu, the next president of Ghana. Yes. I stand on existing protocol. This election, we are all calling for peace. There can never be peace in this country when we keep on doing what we are doing, promoting duopoly. We have to promote multi-party democracy, not duopoly or whatever you guys are doing, because it will never bring peace. The media is doing it. The Peace Council is also doing it. So how are we going to have a multi-party democracy when you discriminate in the full glare of the public? This is not right, what you did. There will be peace when we all go out and vote for Kofi Akpalu and forget about MPP and NDC. Because when you vote for any of them, it will not bring peace. The only person that when you cast your vote on, that will bring peace is Kofi Akpalu. God bless you all.
Okay. Anti Yera Kofi Akpalu so de na sapon kuma. Ono so na manfo bisa se na wana okaka ma mi ntokai. Aso na no so ne kasa na no ohye. Shadrack Yentie maame no CPP. Onye krado ana.
This is clearly in 2012 I was part of the people that signed the Peace Pact. I'm here in 2024 and I just
Mame kuma train nominate Yura George Amo, Executive Secretary Peace Council. Yura George Amo no pay Sompa TV radio ye near tea for near for your watching. Yura George Amo to menka. Okay, yeah, bye. Ya kwaba. You didn't come up bebre Maminti also be kakra on the issue of Peace Pact. I mean, we say benya no biwa. Yera mo me macho. Okay. Yaw. Kaza.
Peace a paki. Agonta eye na media nanka me fi say we akote de your 9th election and I say 8th election year kono. See you be kon 9th parliament on. The kon 9th parliament.
9th parliament.
Your 9th
election on the 1992 Constitution Republican.
Yeah koi. Me fi say say ya me tirimanye ye dese yakobia ya to abani bia nti fi say ya machuo nti emfa
all right. Yera George Amo ya mwache Sompa FM.
Okay.
Anopai ye friend wa na ensem nyina ye tia wa se ye bedi kan abomabaso sene mosi atimi ama kuokuo a wo mu egina abatoi mu otimi de wo nsa abehye krata na se na ne ye be ka se obe mayen ensem ba ko mienu edruma bi na akoye te se panifo no bi kura so wo monye de na mutimi ye ya enura Ghana fo nyina ebo mabaso yi.
All right, let me dash it. Me share it for you now. near Tennessee. In peace building work, in fact, ye celebrate. Which the Yena, Jumano, Ekasamawa.
Sompa
No, you did say a home for celebrate, since Obekasada, Ejumano, Antony, and Kasamo. Antony, the kind of say, we're very confident that all of them will come and sign. I said, you only have to be a very simple thing. Omanhene for more outside the country. That truly Ghana has come of age. Already celebrate Omanhene soon, age. I'm saying, of course,
major stakeholders see the Omonsa Shasie. But one more year no more foment trouble no I am mabunu. And pay dear Sam now be catch them mabuna e Ghana. Say woman penny for to an among we are almost was said in the say.
We have highly reasonable leaders in our country. When we get to the crossroads, we have leaders in our country who are leading our political parties, who are able to rise up over the challenges in the table point. I think yesterday it came to light once again. Say the leaders here were more edomino. Mr. Nebunu say you won't pay for one more yes sir. Na say so yɛhwɛ no twana mo and yet say me am wa hay sibio me nyaka me retire but I'm close to my retirement and you know who the future that we are all trying to build today have a greater dividend for them than they have for me and for one more mujina president can some may catch someone say or more embayambo asumdren hobai or more home for sourcing or boame na the sale my Ghana wona that will say mumayambo or mine asumdren hobai we of the Buna and they say we organize a program for the youth here in Accra. But Sompa Bonum put him one last week. We've been there. I don't know whether my people invited Sompa, but we call almost all the countries encouraging the youth of our country, encouraging party supporters that we have more to gain if we protect the peace of our country.
Okay.
Until the moment media you must have an agenda. You see, agenda to shepherd this country to a peaceful destination. Would you be Bible station one in the panel or the cancer more Emma or Manasum journey? It must be a policy. We have a country, a destination we want this country to get to. So if anybody is trying to steer us away from that destination now, I say man is sorry for quite. Let's say you hold from now till the elections are over, and probably a week after. A lot depends on how you know media house mobile. The some of Obiba no be cancelling be a den to quiet who be bad and nobody to get someone.
Okay.
We'll keep it for our children and for our children's children.
Era Georgia Momeda Wasiano Pese Winyabre, now near Kasaya. Executive Secretary Peace Council, and Amotise, Veneno El Casano. Shadrach, Fatoso, International Airport, Nanado Danko Kufado, Eba, Kumasi, Eba Probo, Asante Regional, Oko Airport ho, and officially, Oko Dane, Dise, Elupre, Betime 12 ya Bruchiri. Sesia Ethiopian Airlines the abeto Ghana for him say Ghana Airport Company Limited. Womani o makabom say on the 3rd of December. Aeroplane to a free Gatwick Airport. Ewo UK. Omanhene Chrome 2:10 a.m. Now bedru Kumasi enyina be bia. Ebia be free Ethiopia na ko ayi Ethiopia Airline. Obey transit. Ewo Addis Ababa. Ofri Addis Ababa wo ba won nyina ayi nkran. Kumasi straight. And on the 3rd, Ghana for mo abrochire a mo ba be di bronya e wo Ghana no. Dodo na the plane free Gatwick na ba Kumasi. Enti won konkosia wo sister won kran. Kotoka International Airport Terminal 3. Wo sia no ha. The ATM so no say Emirates in conjunction with our African world. E come wa bom. Almost about 85 countries. They will fly from Kumasi. Etimu amuko Dubai ne China ne ade nyina no.
Awafawa.
Omo no mba ye hyehyɛ soronko. No ma tamu afri Kumasi. Yay!
To be check in wo Kumasi.
Oba check in wo Kumasi.
Na awa afawa si kutoka. No mo na to.
No ade wato aso. My goodness.
Emirates Airline.
Tinya fe na Udru nkran afe na wo say me pray to Germany ade. They will fly Kumasi for ni nyina to eho. Na de wo kɔ.
Yenkofa VIP bus.
Yenkofa VIP bus bia.
Yenkofa passenger car bia.
Ka no akɔ China. Ye brass wo kwa broche ni wa kɔwuo.
Yami ava kwa mu a.
Sade ne si o. Wa kranti abegfo no jiso mu sia wo wiem.
Mo. Ewiem was wa hia be iceberg na fi.
Ami ne Oliver Khan. O si traffic ni ba bia. Ewiem the traffic ni o.
Me ko ba ko na me se bu ama. Se me kwa akotena ya anum. Obi akoto di ehu odi. Wo twe amade be so ani. Wo koka wo be di watem.
Why ka fura?
Se fam die.
Obi wa wo didi a obayire no.
Be ifo sa wo pemi. Ajiro be wiem o.
Aje se wiem o.
Aje akota me jiso a. Jiro be wiem o.
Aje so ofro soro.
Oliver Khan se traffic ni soro.
Traffic ni soro.
Form na traffic.
Traffic o kuma se bi ni so.
Na go ta potholes so wo soro.
Any potholes bia.
Ehu o.
And your friend turbulence.
Akota ene ke be perform there no.
Abo ya oja. Ya ja.
Wuti be juso mu o.
Obenya nsi da anya no kra.
Ebra.
Hey.
Awoda triya bia mko bo ama enkran ayese yo. Wuti pre no hu enkran ayese.
Ayese.
Na say de o takev.
Na kuta sa kev na ya no mukotwa no. Esoro no driver ni okotwa kev ayede.
Debi o niema odi buten.
Yeso mu ko chaka evo bosomchi lake ni. Na kuta me de sa da ma foro mu chadu pre no munya sa kev sem no.
O je papa.
What to free Kumasi enkran ni ko straight as ni ko buke. Na ko buke na sia ni buke ma ni ende.
Ba you buke.
Debi akota ni e ka we adu pre. Eti yesre wo mu. Adu pre drivers na pilot.
Say have kwa krada. Ohana Otise pilot no. Ladies and gentlemen, we have you see where there's traffic
in the air.
No, there's traffic at the airport and there is we will wait extra 10 minutes.
Oh,
you could try water. That's what I say. Now, as a plane, baby, 8 and the MI home by the next 10-15 minutes. And I play with the enemy. Or the enemy to my home only I didn't watch out who come back and say, I'll pay me 2 times. I deal with him. Now, turbulence to me hard. I be to Coco the word in about.
Na kuta me see me ko bu ke watermelon me ba na Kumasi. Na da no. O na ba na me say.
Eja mo ba cry no.
Sune ya.
O ba no. Aya watch us o ba jaja me ko bi o.
Bo madam me ko delay show. Me su ko do airport up. Ye de ye gina o. Anu so aye mmia o say British Airways mo ba na me say hwe. So we all might do some better than that. Wama, yeah, the magazine,
look at flights in you, sir. Okay, be almost also do say, call people no more.
say na aeroplane twitwi people no say they about to say e de gegraw
turbulence
and turbulence
I say clouds ne ba be shia
na kweta wonim say clouds ni be shia wa wura mu en anabukefu na dodge no obo say etimi shia no na.
But this is beautiful, yeah. I mean this is a dream come true for the people of Kumasi and Ashanti.
Yes.
We have always daily dreamt to say one day planes will fly from an international airport in Kumasi to abroad. Where a direct flight to from Gatwick Airport to UK to Kumasi. Oh, Debbie. Adia we bad dear. Hey, Nasantamera.
And also on much time take off our Gatwick Airport
2:10 a.m.
2:10 a.m.
That will be do 9:05. How much
into Adientia no part 9. Now
so you're looking at 7 hours.
Yes.
Now what? And the stress of Yadrun crying. You can for drunk crying. Omoda. Obuawa now or sa connected to VIP. Omo and near my baby. Jobu and the Quentin maybe on Famba. Where the airport and because of international flight, you almost be fairly part of the home.
That's it, yes.
Because can't go no near man this time a heavy. Oh, it's aviance for also aviance for almost so ever friendly pa. I was why I dare say almost fly nipa to Accra no my
form so no pick no ayas and tin so say biabo. Say biabo can change me kwa family na.
O ko ba for ho.
Na me.
O be so ayas and tin a feel form.
No wapo he behind us. Ti me ko family dia feel na mama na Greekens ma here dos am.
Na Greekens ma do address am.
Why does am? You.
But sa form no I can tell you say you be sa form be to ensoto. And I free.
How that be? I just free. We be ko interview you know.
Hey.
Now I say electoral commission presidential nomination forms no. Okofa uhia nipa 2 ewo 275 constituencies in Ashanti region uhia nipa 2 or 47 constituencies in munya
asana wako fekuo di fekuo opesa wo no ento opesa wo
no ento
abusia pani baby opesa wo free abafo be lobby it's a Friday morning na abrantie bi esu Ricardo Betrase wabo Ancelotti ene Mbappe dia yentie no
excellent job and the media and all stakeholders.
Joselu ya neba ya
se
Mbappe wo bra Joselu
ya se chassie
atwaga me Mbappe Mbappe wo bra Joselu ya neba ya se tu boss man pasia Mbappe wo ya metowa yes ganya fa meto Mbappe wo abua na me se basa fo nya me twa me se basa fo atwa le no me ya kada polo zako tino pasia Andrick Mbappe Mbappe me se Andrick ko Mbappe Mbappe zako me Mbappe wo bra Mbappe Joselu ya ne ba yo se tu boss man pasia Mbappe wo ya metowa yes ganya fa meto Mbappe wo abua na me se basa fo nya me twa me se basa fo atwa ya kada polo zako tino pasia Andrick Mbappe Mbappe me se Andrick ko Mbappe Mbappe pasia wo kanda mbi kaka sa hey Joselu ya na boss man pasia Mbappe wo ya metowa
the table cry Barcelona
yes ganya fa meto Mbappe wo abua na me se basa fo nya me twa me se basa fo ya kamba za ho pasia Andrick Mbappe me se Andrick